So now, please make a selection. Oh, large or small. So what do you want a coffee?
10,
I've got coffee on here. So but I'm going to order these.
12.
I just want 3 between 15.
Lemon, hard lemon, hard.
How are you? Hi. Parang naka-HDR ako. Oh my God. Pansin nyo naman po ako sa ano. Hello. Anong oras pa lang pala dyan? 10. O, diba nakapag-live ako kahit Saturday. Parang ang mukha ko parang ang ano dito, ang itim. Kita ko sa inyo. May mga nagje-jet ski dito. So, that's our view. That's my view. Sana yung mga nagje-jet ski? Oh, they are there. There we go. I cannot zoom. I don't know why. Okay, I can zoom now. That's them. That's them. No. I'm okay with cola. That's them. Bye. Jet ski. It seems gonna rain here because it's quite cloudy. Sarap mo mahalin. Thank you so much. Oo, masarap talaga ako mahalin. Maalaga ako eh. Yes naman, proud na proud sa sarili no. Alaga siya. Ano sila? They're there. Ah, may angkas yung ano. May angkas ba? Hindi ko makita. Oo nga, may angkas. May angkas siya, ti. Ayan. Hi! Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. O, diba? Tapos maraming mga coffee shops here. Ayan. Ang daming coffee shop dito. Nakapag-live na ata ko dito last time eh. Nung hindi pa ako 1 million. Ganda diba? Perfect ang beauty. Perfect ang beauty. Ako dyan. Oo. Yes! Nagtali mi ng hair kasi sobrang like super messy ng hair ko. Mamaya mag-tiktok ako. Alang, ganda dyan. Yes. Dito kami yung ano, bumili ako ng, yung nag-ano ako ng iPhone. So, tignan nyo na may building na to. Parang rose gold. Ang ganda. Yung naghunt-hunt ako ng ng tawag dyan, ng iPhone T. Dito yun, nasa city kami ngayon. So, yan yung bridge. So, ayun yung sinakyan namin kanina. Magka-birth month po tayo. Hello po. Hello, sana all magka-birth month. Wait lang ah. Just wait for a while.
This is
Ay,
probably
titignan lang ako
the
sa...
step I suggest you take to walk to.
Uy, nag-makeup ako today.
Yeah. There might be actually some
Hold
of the
on,
city
hold on.
What are your card details?
Ay, 5 minutes pa lang pala min. Super sexy. Thank you. Yes. A minute.
Is that for here?
Mga 50. Alam mo, first time dito eh, no? Ayan na yung sinakyan namin, te. Mga te. Mga latbi. Ayun yung sinakyan namin kanina. So, well, ayan naman yung sinakyan namin last time nung nag-live din me. That's the one. Hello, nahuba ang latbi. Bili lang ng bigas. May amor sa na ako, November na ako magbibigay kasi it's gonna be my birthday na. So, I want the whole week to be sa akin. To be, gusto kong sa akin lang yung week ko. Gusto kong solohin lang yung week na to, may amor. Pero magla-live pa din ako, gagawa pa rin ng videos and stuff. But other than that, hindi mo na ako mamimigay. Kasi napakadami kong loyal followers. So, magbibigay ako ngayong November. Okay? Hello, wow. Ito yung maliit na city cat din siya, pero patawid lang siya tawiran lang siya ng yung barko na to. Barcar. Ayan. Crossing lang siya. Cross there and cross here. So pretty. Hi, Ate Jenny. How are you? What did you order, Chick? Cola. Yeah. Cola and... okay. And Mark, get a coffee too?
He ordered by himself because he wanted to make sure he got
Beer?
a weird coffee.
Yummy. Okay. Where is po si Mr. Ratbo? That's Ratbo.
Hey. Here with Latvi.
Yeah, si Ratbo. Nag-order kasi siya. Everybody got in my bag. O, hindi na muna ako magbibiyaya ngayon. Pahingayin nyo muna ako, mga ate. Almost 30 katao yung binigyan ko. So, pahingahin nyo naman, Mish. Pahingahin nyo naman, Mish. Nasaan na? Nasaan yung mga jet ski? Ay. God, nalaglag yung hikaw ko dito. Gonna fix it. Lydia, love you. I do. No matter what I do. All I think about is you.
Thank you.
So that new shoe,
Is that man?
that new shoe, it's powered.
Okay, what's she
That
for?
was the one you were saying, the new Nike shoe. I mean, didn't you show me the photo? Oh, I thought it was you guys. So I was looking at it. It's got a brace on it. It's actually electrically powered.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they're saying it's actually not aimed at pros to make you run faster. It's aimed at just the average person to help them walk faster.
Walk
Or
faster
walk better.
or they're struggling to walk.
Makita ka lang masaya, bless. Blessing
Whatever
na
it's
sa
designed for.
Ay, kabog. Sana all. Sana all. Thank you.
Bikes for races.
Thank you.
Just to help them get better.
There ko. So, ganun may MR, I'll end the live na. Ayan. Kasi we are gonna have a coffee first. Bye. Ah, diba? At least nagka-time ako sa inyo, no? Kahit pa paano, kahit 10 minutes lang, ganyan. Sige na, T. Bye.